As long as you learn to crochet this flower piece,
then you will learn to crochet this bag. The effect on the body is also very good. I will start to teach you how to crochet. First, hold the thread. Magic ring. We insert the hook into the large loop and pull the thread out. Then hook the thread through the loop on the hook. Then we start to crochet single crochet stitches. We make a marker for the first single crochet stitch. Continue to crochet single crochet stitches. We repeat hooking 8 single crochet stitches in total. After hooking 8 single crochet stitches, pull the thread end in and pull the thread through the stitch of the marker to connect them. In the second round, we make 3 chain stitches as a double crochet stitch. Mark the buckle is tied to the third chain stitch. We hook a double crochet stitch in the same stitch and pass the thread through the same stitch and pull the thread out and pass the thread through the first 2 loops. Then pass the thread through the last 2 loops and then a slip stitch, the next stitch, and make 2 double crochet stitches and 1 slip stitch. We just do this. 2 double crochet stitches and 1 chain stitch. Repeat this once. After 1 round, in the stitch marked with the marker, pull the connection. Break the thread first after the second round. Change to green thread for the third round. We'll insert the needle in the middle of the chain stitch. Take 4 stitches as a double crochet stitch. And the marker is on the 4th chain stitch. Then continue in the same stitch. Hook a double crochet stitch, 2 chains, 2 double crochet stitches. Two double crochet stitches, to chains, 2 double crochet stitches. This is the pattern of this round. For the next stitch, continue to repeat this hook method. When you hook, the tail can be placed on the hook so that you can crochet and hide the thread. Repeat this round 8 times. Finish. In the stitch marked with the marker, pull the connection. In the 4th round, you need to hook 7 double crochet stitches. 7 double crochet stitches. So we need to make a slip stitch first to lead the thread to the middle. Same, first hook 3 chain stitches as double crochet stitches and tie the marker to the 3rd chain stitch. We hook 7 double crochet stitches in this stitch. Repeat this for a full round. When you reach the last stitch, first hook half double crochet stitches, then change the thread to white, and directly hook the white thread through the last 2 loops. After changing the thread, hook normally. Just use the slip stitch to connect. In the 5th round, crochet single crochet stitches. Start with a slip stitch and hook single crochet stitches in each stitch, and press the thread on the hook. Each petal has 7 single crochet stitches. For the concave part, enter the stitch from the bottom double crochet stitch. Repeat this process for 1 round. On the 6th round, start with a slip stitch. Then hook 4 single crochet stitches. Then a half double crochet stitch and a double crochet stitch. Then a double crochet stitch. First, wind 2 loops of thread. It's similar to the double crochet stitch. Continue to hook a double crochet stitch in the next stitch. Then hook 3 chain stitches. Continue in the same stitch. Then hook a double crochet stitch. Next, on this side, we just need the stitch on this side. It's corresponding to 1 double crochet stitch, 1 double crochet stitch, a half double crochet stitch, and 4 single crochet stitches. Now the first corner is completed. We need to crochet for corners. Next, we need to crochet. Just repeat this crochet pattern. But when we reach the next corner, the long and single crochet stitches are skipped. Start crocheting the corner from the next single crochet stitch. We repeat the crocheting method on this side. Finish this round. Remember not to crochet the last long and single crochet stitches. We'll connect this round with a slip stitch. The 7th round, we crochet single crochet stitches in each stitch. corner stitches. We crochet 4 single crochet stitches. Except for the fur corners, we hook 4 single crochet stitches. And the rest are single crochet stitches. We repeat this round like this. Then you can cut the thread. Finally, hide the thread tails in the back. We crochet 10 flower pieces in total, after hooking 10 pieces. First, lay the pieces like this, and sew them together in this order. Sew these 4 pieces first. Use the slip stitch to sew. First, make a knot in the loop. We start with the single crochet stitches on both sides of the foot. Separate the 4 single crochet stitches from this foot, and separate the front and back single crochet stitches. We pick up the half of the thread to crochet. Then hook the loop over. Then continue to hook 1 stitch at a time. Slip. Connect the fabric pieces. After hooking, make a slip stitch to cut the thread. Hide the thread with a needle after sewing. We fold the left, right, top and bottom pieces. Fold them in half. Turn it over, and sew the remaining pieces together. After sewing the entire bag, we'll crochet the part of the bag mouth. Hook a round of single crochet stitches along the bag mouth. In the second round, crochet ribbed single crochet stitches. Turn around first and then hook the thread. Just crochet like this. Finally, we hook the bag strap and crochet to fishbone-shaped straps. Leave a section of thread out first and make to slip stitches. And hook a single crochet stitch in the second last stitch. Then turn to the side. Insert the needle from the side. Continue to crochet single crochet stitches. Continue to turn the side. Pass two threads through the side. And hook single crochet stitches. Just pass through the 2 threads on the side and hook single crochet stitches. Until you reach the desired length. Next, sew the bag strap. After sewing the strap,